Hi, I'm Denise and I'm here today to talk a little bit about hand position and the recorder. First thing, left hand must be at the top of the recorder. If you have the hands reversed, I can't close the lower holes. It's manufactured so that the left hand fits and the right hand fits at the bottom of the recorder. Flute, clarinet, alto saxophone, all the saxophones, oboe and bassoon all have left hand at the top of the recorder. So it's crucial that your students have left hand as well. To help them remember, those that are very right hand dominant and want to do that, put an elastic band or a ponytail scrunchie or a silly band on their left hand so that they can quickly check that they have their left hand at the top. If they really forget, I have done this. I put an L with permanent marker on my thumb to remind them that that is the hand that goes at the top of the recorder. Now you have some kids who have a difficult time covering the top 3 holes with their fingers. Sometimes putting gummed reinforcements around the hole will help those students find the placement of the fingers. It's okay if the fingers on the lower holes overlap. That's okay. My friends at the Edmonton Recorder Society use this hand position and they're phenomenal players. And if you overlap, you can still cover the notes nicely right to the bottom. My friends at the Recorder Society also said you don't actually hold the recorder, you balance it. So the lip is one balance point, the thumb is another, and the thumb of your right hand. And the thumb of your right hand should be between these 2 fingers. That's where the correct placement is. You're still going to have children who have difficulty covering the holes. We talk about recorder warts, so you press the fingers tightly, and then you check to see if you've got circles on your fingers, and that shows you that you're covering them correctly. But for some kids, this is still really difficult. When you're still working on B, A, G, F, E, D, C, you can take a piece of tape and cover the hole at the back, cover the thumb hole, and that helps some kids to get down to those low notes without squeaking and squawking all the way. With these assists, all your students may be successful in closing right to the bottom of the recorder. For more hints on playing the recorder and other topics for teaching elementary music, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and on YouTube.